Hey Arjun, wake up. It's already 8 o'clock.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
You said the same thing half an hour ago.
Okay, I'm getting up now.
Good. We have to go to college early today.
Why? Is there any surprise test?
Not test, but we have project submission.
Oh no, I completely forgot about it.
I knew it. You never remember deadlines.
Don't worry, I'll copy your file.
Finish your breakfast quickly.
What's for breakfast today?
Idli and chutney.
I was expecting dosa.
You're always expecting something else.
True. That's how I keep life interesting.
Ha ha. You'll never change.
That's my superpower.
Finish fast. We're already late.
Okay, I'm eating. Look, the classroom is half empty today.
Maybe everyone forgot the project.
Then I'm safe.
You always depend on others. Mistakes.
That's called strategy, my friend.
Ha ha! Okay, let's meet the professor.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Did you bring your project files?
Yes, sir. Here's mine.
Very neat work, Rahul.
Thank you, sir.
What about you, Arjun?
Sir, actually, it's not complete yet.
Why not? You had 2 weeks.
I was helping Rahul with his.
What? You never even touched it.
Enough. Submit it tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. You're the best.
You're lucky as always.
I'm starving. Let's go to the canteen.
Okay? But only if you're buying today.
What? Why me?
Because last 5 times I paid.
Fine. I'll buy tea and samosas.
Only that? What about lunch?
Let's share one thali.
You're the king of saving money.
That's called financial planning.
Ha ha, whatever helps you sleep at night.
Today was a long day, huh?
Yes, but at least we finished our project.
You finished it, not me.
You still have time. Do it tonight.
No, I'll do it tomorrow morning.
That's what you said last time, too.
Okay, this time for real.
We'll see. What are you doing?
Watching a movie on Netflix.
You said you'd finish your project.
I'll do it after this scene.
You're hopeless.
Don't worry, genius friend. I'll copy yours.
I knew it.
By the way, nice handwriting, bro.
You're trying to flatter me now?
Exactly. It always works.
Arjun, sometimes I wish you were serious in life.
And sometimes I wish you'd relax a little.
Maybe we balance each other.
True. That's why we're best friends.
Always.
Okay, good night, bro.
Good night, lazy legend.
Haha. I'll take that as a compliment.